the more you have a quality host, a quality MC who can facilitate the dialogue and the conversation, that allows you to stay in your area of genius, stay in your lane, and kick butt and take names. And that's really what it's all about.
How important is it for a great speaker to have a great host? Now, I want to preface this question, and this goes back to what you were talking about earlier. You're talking about some of the things that you're picked for. God calls you, and He qualifies you, right?
Qualifies the call.
I didn't want to be a host. I didn't want to be a host on stage. I didn't even know what MC was the first day I launched the longest running room in Clubhouse. And someone the next day texted me, "You're a great MC." I'm like, "I'm not a rapper. What do you mean?"
Right. Yeah.
So the point I'm trying to make was, and Tim Story had said this too. By the way, being on this podcast, man, you get to be referenced in future episodes. So I'm constantly promoting you. Just letting you know, Tim Story was a former guest. So
amazing. That's my brother. That's my friend. Tell him I said hello.
So my point about like having a question that I want to hear your response is having a great speaker, because I play both roles every Friday night. But I realize I can't always be both of them at the same time. I got to be one or the other. The reason most people failed on Clubhouse is because they tried to be a speaker and a host. They needed somebody else. But what do you think, though? What's your thoughts on that?
I 5,000,000% agree. I think they're different skill sets, and I think they're both essential. They're crucial for next level development. And I think we have to get clear about inch wide, mile deep. You got to get really clear about what your skill set is. And the more you have a quality host, a quality MC who can facilitate the dialogue and the conversation, that allows you to stay in your area of genius, stay in your lane, and kick butt and take names. And that's really what it's all about. So
you agree,
right? I totally agree with the importance of having a host. And man, this has been an incredible interview. Thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Delatorro. I appreciate you, man. I wasn't trying to fish for compliments. I just want to know your perspective. Being such a great
remarkable,
speaker.
Bro. I mean that. You're incredible at what you do, bro. It shines through. It really, really does.